So we got a 1990 Chevy Corvette. This is what it sounds stock. Give a guess. They do not disappoint. Again. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear the sound decibels before. Go ahead. So about 99 again. So on this 1990 Corvette, it comes with 3 catalytic converters. One here, and a third massive converter here. I'm trying to talk him into putting a high flow in its place to get some sound out of it. Then there's the mufflers. They're aftermarkets, but he's getting a CORSA kit put on right there and right there. So we'll see if he wants to do that cat, get that cat deleted. There's the Y pipe right there. There's the tailpipes, and hopefully he'll swap it out for that high flow cat. We'll let you guys hear it after. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you. So we showed you guys before, this is what it looks like after with the CORSA kit and the high flow cat. There's the 2 cats, the originals. Then we put a high flow cat, third one right there. Then there's the CORSA kit, pre-bent, but we welded it all and added a sleeve in there to make everything fit nicely. There's the CORSA mufflers, there and there. That's what it looks like. Came out really beautiful, really nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Give a guess. There's sound decibels again. 104. It's not bad. Go ahead and back it out straight. That looks good on it. Yeah. Yeah. CORSA never disappoints, man. All right, put it in park and give it gas again. When you leave, get on it. What this thing has got. Show us what it's got.